and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doucette. Today's video is all about how I get ready for a date night, showing my shower routine, makeup routine, getting dressed, all the things. So if you want to see that, go ahead and keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.
We've been away from each other so long, I don't know you no more. Go text for text, but what's the point when there's no love in it no more? I try my hardest from the start, but I'm not love on it no more. I just want your love, mama. I just wanna be the one to adore you. Just wanna support you, baby. Please don't ignore this. This is a message recorded. I've been trying to be hopeful. I've been lying on my doors. I think I'm making it worse, but I'm making this point that not every love's gonna last. How'd it go so fast? Did I treat you wrong, or was I too fast? Was it love at first sight, or meant to last? Couldn't read the signs, was it been all along? Tell me how it's so far gone. My perception's way too strong. I should've been strong. About the night we had, it was so fun. Love fills the space, I've been meaning to erase. Wait on this day, PEA, some call it love. Yeah, you got me feeling ways. My heart beat, it thumps the bass. Send the files to your way. Tryna make you feel away. Tryna make you feel away. Tryna make you feel away. Thinking about your face. No. Eyes locked in your gaze, babe. In the summer haze. Heartbeats every day, thinking about your face, yeah. I don't wanna say it, thinking we should feel it. Feelings don't conceal it, I just wanna hear it. Eyes locked in your gaze, man, in the summer haze. Heartbeats every day, thinking about your face, yeah. I don't wanna say it, thinking we should feel it. Feelings don't conceal it, I just wanna hear it. Get out bed, I'm laying alone. Just a red, I feel at home. Daydreaming, you ain't wrong. Ain't wrong. Bet we can make that a home. Any idea, we can run to the sun. For you, I pay money and ransom amount. Yeah, you got me feeling ways. My heart beat, it thumps the bass. Send the files to your way. Tryna make you feel away. Tryna make you feel away. Tryna make you feel away. Thinking about your face. No. I locked in your gaze, babe, in the summer haze. Heartbeats every day, thinking about your face, and I don't wanna say it, thinking we should feel it. Feelings don't conceal each other so long, I don't know you no more. Go text for text, but what's the point when there's no love in it no more? I try my hardest from the start, but I'm not love on it no more. I just want your love, mama. I just wanna be the one to adore you. Just wanna support you, baby. Please don't ignore this is a message recorded. I've been trying to be hopeful. I've been lying in my thoughts. I think I'm making it worse, but I'm making this point that not every love's gonna last. How did it go so fast? Did I treat you wrong? Or was I too fast? Was it love at first sight? Or I meant to last? Couldn't read the signs. Was it been all along? Tell me how it's so far gone. My perception's way too strong. I should've let you know.
If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.